What's going on, guys? Brad here, Your Way Lawn Care. Wanted to wish all of you a very happy new year. It is January the 4th, 2018. Sitting here in my home office where I have been working tirelessly for the last week. So I got some great ideas this year for some content. Going to be doing a video series called Lawntrepreneurship. We're going to be launching that with this video right here. We're going to be doing at least one per week, every week of the year, and once we get into mowing season, we're hoping to be doing a couple extra short videos every week with mowing and different things along the way as well. So let's dive into what Lawntrepreneurship is going to be. So with 2017 coming to an end, I was looking back at the year and I was thinking, man, I got to make some big changes. And those changes are going to be drastic. So start figuring out exactly what we're going to do, how we're going to fix some things that just aren't going the way we want them to, and become a more profitable company along the way. So I had a bright idea last year to try some new things. Well, it didn't exactly work the way I wanted it to. We done a lot of bi-weekly work last year. That was kind of a newer thing for us, being mostly bi-weekly, and ended up being not such a great idea. We ended up with customers that were having their yards treated by other companies, and then we were left cutting them every 2 weeks. And you can imagine, we're going to property if we're finding 6, 8, 10 inch tall grass. We have rainy weeks. We're off property for a month. It was a headache. So we sent all our customers an email explaining to them that we're going to 100% weekly service. We're going 100% full service contracts. So what I'm saying is we're going to be offering only full service packages, and we're going to be charging the same flat rate every month for the whole year. Well, as you can imagine, a lot of people really didn't go for that. So right now, I'm just going to lay it all on the line, be 100% honest with you. We have 3 clients. That's it. So I've had to rethink everything. I've got a marketing strategy down. I've implemented already over the past few days. It's working. We're getting leads. We're getting some good contacts. So hopefully things are going in the right direction. Let's talk about what's going to be going on with this Lawntrepreneurship video series and how we're going to rebuild this company basically from the ground up all by spring. So we're going to be rebuilding this company with the aid of some really great software. Software company I totally stand behind 100%. It's getjobber.com. It's Jobber software. It's 100% mobile. I can use it back here on this iPad. I can use it on my iPhone, and I can even use it on my laptop. So it's absolutely great. There's an Apple app and an Android app, so anybody can use this in the field. So we're going to be integrating Jobber software 100%. Gonna be on the phone with these guys 30 minutes or so every week now until spring, really learning a lot of the ins and outs that I don't currently know about Jobber software. What that's going to allow us to do is have better client contact, better scheduling, better route optimization, and it's going to make us collecting money a whole lot easier. Not only that, but it's going to let us track everything in the field. So we're going to be chemical tracking right in the field, right on our customer properties. And what makes it really cool is when you get done doing an application, it automatically emails them a summary of that application. So for you guys that are out in states where they require you to leave something on the door or let the client know what you done to the property, it's a super easy fix for you. It does it all. It sends it to them, and you don't have to worry about printing something from the truck. All you need is this. So we're also going to be using Jobber to track our times on every property every time we're there. The cool part is it geolocates you when you hit the start and stop timer button at the property. So if that client comes back and says, "Oh, I don't think you visited my property," guess what, Joe Blow? Here it is, dude. We was there. So Jobber's also integrated a client portal platform, which they've had for, I guess, a year or two now, but we're really going to put it to use for us this year. So when those clients sign up with us, we're going to put their information right into our Jobber software, and then we're going to shoot them a quick email with a link right to that client portal. what that's going to allow them to do is securely enter their credit card information into their client portal, save it, so once we start doing their billing, we're just going to debit their credit card right on file. So it's going to make chasing money a thing of the past for us. It's going to make it super easy on us, super easy on them. And with the client portal, they can also request work, they can see all their upcoming work, and they can see their past work. So it's great for you, it's great for them, and it makes it super simple. So as a lot of you may know, we're members of the Green Touch family. Great group of guys, myself, Austin, Wally, David, and now Naylor make up the Green Touch family. So we're going to be doing some really, really cool stuff with Green Touch coming up. We're actually going to be downsizing to upsize our business. We're going to become more profitable by becoming more efficient. So we're going to be getting a smaller trailer, outfitting it even better with Green Touch racks than what we are now, making everything super streamlined and super efficient. So the more efficient we are, the faster we are on each property. And Green Touch Industries is going to allow us to do that with a great line of racks to keep everything extremely organized, extremely accessible, and fast. So as of January 1st, 2018, we're officially members of the Echo UAG. So if you haven't yet, check out echomeansbusiness.com. Amazing website, great forums, great information for you guys. Whether you've been in it for 20 years or this is your first week, there's something there for you. You can take so much from that website, and it's always positive. And I'm sure a lot of you have seen Echo Cat by now, so be on the lookout for her. We've got some really, really cool things from Echo sitting out in the garage to give away, and we're going to use Echo to give those away, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram. She's going to be featured in a lot of videos, pictures, different things. Normally she's not going to be very easy to find. She's going to be hid. She's going to be tucked into little places. But what we're going to do is the first person to comment Echo's correct location, you know, we're going to be giving stuff away. Whether it's some Red Armor oil, whether it's Black Diamond trimmer line, you know, a hat, a shirt, who knows? We've got stuff from Green Touch. We've got stuff from Echo. We're going to be talking to Jobber to see if we can get a few things from them. Hopefully they'll play along and we can do some giveaways from them also. So let's get to the most important part of this video series. So with this video series, like I said, we're basically starting all the way over again. The only difference is people already know our name and we've already built a pretty good reputation throughout our city. We're going to show you our marketing strategies. We're going to show you how we build this company from right now, 3 clients, all the way up to a total of 48 weekly contract clients by spring, I hope. So that's our goal. We want you to follow along with us. We're going to totally be redoing our trailer. We got a 16-foot now. We're probably going back to a 12, whether it's open or enclosed. We're not 100% sure of right now. So be following along and look out for that. We're going to show you everything. I'm going to be totally 100% upfront with you. We're going to show you prices. We're going to show you profits. We're going to show you losses. We're going to show you everything on growing your business and how we've done it. So we hope you're looking forward to this as much as we are here at Your Way Lawn Care. And we want to wish you a very happy, very prosperous 2018.